Alright, so we're in a trade here. So what I did, I had shorted below this bar here. And my reasons for doing that, so we had this double top, then it started coming down and it broke below the moving average, and it also broke below this low here, and then the open of the date. And so you can imagine drawing a horizontal line across here. Then once it breaks below that, look, now it has came back and tested it here, and then came back and tested it here a second time, and you got this good looking bear bar. So that's why I took that short. And when I take a trade like this is kind of my standard trade. It's something I take about once a day, and then I go for 5 points. And so we'll let this play out. And so what I'm doing, I've recently started using the copy trader with my Apex funded accounts. And as I'm getting used to that copy trader, I'm just trading micros, so that if something goes wrong, or as I'm in the learning process of using the copy trader, I'm not going to lose. Something crazy is not going to happen. I'm not going to lose a huge amount. So I'm just trading the micros. I think right now I'm using, yeah. So I have account 12 there, and account 13 is what I'm using right now. Just testing everything out. We had this really strong rally, and I was expecting more up than this, but this is all that we've gotten so far. So, the strong rally here, got a second leg, and it failed to go higher, and now we're trying to come back down lower. So after this double top, then it broke below the moving average, and now it created this double top at the moving average, and also below this level that we talked about with the open and the lows here. So you'll see that quite often. You'll see some sort of level created, and then you'll have uh, and just the whole day it'll play off of that. So once it really doesn't spend much time in this area, it'll break through, and then um, you know continue through. Like it'll come back and test, and then continue going down, or like here broke through, came back and tested it, and then continued going up. So on this trade, I'm risking 3.75 points to make 5 points. So let me double check what the odds are on that, or what the odds I need to win are. Um, so it'd be 3.75 divided by 8.75, and for me to break even, I need to win at least 42% of the time. Oops. So I'm risking 3.75 to make 5 points, and I need at least a 42% win rate for that to work out. Now, when I take trades like this style of trade, I'm expecting to win at least 50% of the time. So I'm expecting to be able to get 5 points out of this 50% of the time. So if I'm going to win 50% of the time, and but uh, my I only need to win 42% of the time, well that's the then that's a profitable trade. The bulls are trying to form a wedge pattern here. The wedge pattern is three pushes down. So first push, second push somewhere here, then a third push. So it looks something like that. And this double bottom that was created here, uh, it broke below, but then it failed and it created this bull bar. So that's showing some weakness on the bears. And over the next two bars, we need another bear bar. So I think if the next bar is a bull bar, that's a problem, but it could still turn down. But I think if we get two bull bars in a row, then I really think there's something wrong with the trade. And if you look at the 2000 tick chart that I have on top, well, it's basically giving you the same information. Right now, the 5 minute chart is moving about as fast as the 2000 tick chart is. The same pattern is visible. This three push, one, and then two. One of these is that second push, and then third here. I'm going to draw in what the 50% retracement is of this. So of this move, 50% pullback is down here. We haven't quite gotten there yet. So I think the Bears will make one more attempt down. But if they fail that attempt, then probably just have to get out of the trade. So like I had said before, normally I trade the a full E-mini size, but right now I'm just doing micros because I'm learning this trade copier. So I placed a trade on on my personal account, and it also put the trade in on the my Apex account. And so I have the 20 Apex accounts. Now I just need to get used to the trade copier, understand all of its features, and make sure.
Order canceled.
Okay, so uh, we were taken out of that trade there. That's all right. Like I said, going into it, we knew what we were risking, and we knew uh, what the win rate was of it. So you're always going to have. I mean, according to this, you're going to be losing about 42% of the time. So losing is definitely just part of the game. But yeah, thank you for watching.